Everyone says don't judge me, but everyone does. Do not give up until you are alive. One day you will definitely be at the peak of success. The more you expect from others, the more you will get hurt. Life is too short, so never regret something that makes you happy. Do not be with others, let others be with you. I am not an open book. You have to turn the page to read me. Nothing is hard or easy. It is you who make things like this. Be a person who can see the soul of others, not the face. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Just have a faith in yourself. If you want to do something right, you should not wait for the right time. Your honor is the most important in the world. People change, love, hearts, friends leave, things go wrong, but just remember that life goes on. Sometimes life doesn't give you that you want, not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve so much more. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.